Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery. In BL tonight, we're at the midweek. It is Wednesday in the markets. First up, we got Gaming and Entertainment Group. It's Supreme Ventures. Sometimes you really think that they don't sleep there. You know, the board of directors, the management team, the executive team, whether it's a corporate action item, a deal, mergers and acquisitions, or something is happening, the company just keeps revving and doing amazing things. In this corporate action item here, an advisor here by the company taking up more shares or acquiring further shares in post-to-post betting. The company is saying, that's SVL ticker symbol, that they're acquiring an additional 29% shareholding in this company, Post-to-Post Betting Limited. And what they go on to say is that this now brings SVL's total shareholding to stand at 80%, a significant majority in post-to-post betting. Next up, we've got QWI Investments, updated NAV, that's net asset value. Remember, you can jump onto Wikipedia, any of those things, Google, look at some of these financial terminologies, so important for you. Bottom line here, the unaudited NAV as at April 9th, 2021, just the other day, was $1.23 Jamaican per share. So this is good news for shareholders in this company. Next up, we got NCB Financial Group here, announcing some interesting changes, big changes, 2 press releases, not just one, on the JSE. So this is NCB Financial Group saying that some major changes at their subsidiary, that's NCB Bank Jamaica. Now it's effective April 12th, 2021. What they're saying here is that they're creating separate business divisions. Corporate and commercial banking is going to be headed, well known by Mr. Brian Booth, is going to head up that side. And then retail banking, separate division now, is going to be headed by Mrs. Cherie Martin. Now, TransJamaican Highway here, publishing their corporate governance policy. This is a policy that goes into things like, you know, board meeting frequency, lots of that information. It's great for the company to do that. We really encourage all companies on the JSE to publish this and get that out there. We're not sure if the JSE rulebook, you know, makes that mandatory, but we see more and more companies doing this now. Now, when you go through it, it was ratified, approved by the board of TransJamaica for February 4th, 2021, but this is now on the JSE website now. So TransJamaica Highway getting this out there. Last up tonight, we got Knutsford Express now, coming out with some results here. So this is the 9 months results, third quarter. They're really battling through the pandemic. Knutsford Express doing a good job, almost breaking even for Q3, coming out with a small loss here. So Knutsford Express getting fitter. The Q3 results clearly much better than the Q2 or the Q1 results on a running basis. Getting to the numbers, the net loss for Q3, 1.66 million Jamaican, so almost getting breaking even versus the profit from the year before. This is the February quarter, 36.4 million of profit. So a great year they had in 2020 compared to what they're going through right now. Big takeaway also in the management discussion analysis is that Knutsford going into the logistics courier market, opening up more locations there. So that's clearly going to compete with Mailpack and a few other players there, but it seems logistics and the courier market is what's really helping them with a rebound in revenue. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live.